my name is Wendy with WTI. Today, I want to ask you, do you struggle with really dry skin? I use Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Cream. This is quite of a thick cream. It's really good when you're just feeling super tight in your skin and you're just ready to put something super hydrating, super moisturizing on your skin. I absolutely love Klairs because it's easy to use. It's all good ingredients, and I've been using their other products for years, so I thought, why not try this one? Now, this product here, I would use it as the very last step in the evening. My skin type, personally, is like a normal dehydrated, so dehydrated, like it lacks water, but it has oils in it, which is, we need that balanced. So this cream, let's take a look at it. You're gonna see, first off, how thick it is. Look how thick that is. Isn't that awesome? Honestly, I love a good thick cream when my skin is just screaming for something. So here, let's just rub it in. It does, because it's super thick, it's going to take a little bit longer to absorb in. I do recommend using it at night if you've got like the normal dehydrated skin. If you have dry skin, this here might be just your next best friend. So here we go, it's in, pat it. Here we go. So you got a nice glow happening there. It'll absorb soon. And it feels really luxurious. It feels moist. It doesn't feel oily or slick. It kind of has like a nice matting kind of feeling to it. I really love this moisturizer when I need something super thick and strong to make my skin happy. But that's my point of view.